Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little unboxing and I'm super excited to show you guys what it is. First and foremost, this is a gift from my boyfriend. He bought it for me for Christmas / our 7-year anniversary. So let's get started because I'm so excited. And oh yeah, this is my first time unboxing this with you guys. So if anything goes wrong, you guys are here to witness it with me. I'm gonna first start off with the accessory and I'm so excited to show you guys what it is. We specifically bought this one because it is Chinese New Year and okay, back at it. So opened it all the way up. It's a little bit. So we got this bandeau. It has a little piggy on it since it is the year of the pig this year. The back has like the monogram in pink and it's super cute. Wrap the handle of this bag with this bandeau. And let's move on to this. I do not know what to expect, so let's just unbox this. Okay, so this comes with this cute little packaging. Just gonna take this out. Okay. Whoop. Okay, here it is. Any guesses? Okay. Oh my god. I really like the way it looks. Like, I was obsessed with this one instead of the all monogram because like it looks really unique and different. Can't stop admiring it. Okay, so let's open up and see. It's so beautiful on the inside. And here are the straps. The strap is like in the same like reverse monogram color. I don't know, is it like a light brown? Just going to put the straps on. See what it looks like. And the inside the pockets, there are so many compartments for this purse. So I guess this is the label. I don't know, information. Put this back in here. Yeah, I love how easy it is to just like reach for your things and then you just clip this on. Just push it in. Huh. I wonder if this like messes with it over time. I don't know. So I love this. I love the handle. Ooh, let's carry it. The handle. I've been waiting for like 2 weeks, but like I don't know. It feels good to finally have it in your hands. And I'm so grateful that I am able to have this handbag because of my boyfriend Alex. Thank you so much for getting this for me. I'm super excited to get some use out of this. And yeah, so let's try to tie this bandeau around it. I'm not too sure how to do this. Yeah, I'm not sure how to do it. Okay, whatever. This is what it will look like. I can't do it so well. Just half-assed it. But yeah. Overall, I am in love with this bag. It is so gorgeous. I need to get this handle wrapping situation figured out. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing and I'm planning on filming more videos like a lookbook and stuff like that, but I've been just like really busy with school. But once I am free, I will definitely post more videos and content. And yeah, so thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.